Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing rear brakes because these brakes are seized. We're going to be running the brake line from the prop valve all the way to the back, and we're basically just going to tidy up a load of stuff. We haven't got a throttle cable, we don't have a brake servo hose, and we're just going to go through, see what we can get done. We've got seats upstairs if we can actually get to it, but who knows, depends if we run out of time or not. And yeah, let's go.
So these were seized?
Because we tried pushing the car and the car wouldn't push. It was incredibly hard to push it. Past there, we realised that we needed new calipers. When Scott was here last, we also, I can't remember what we did. We took the calipers off or something, and then Scott realised that both of them were like pretty much C-solid, and we didn't have a caliper tool, so. Phoned up our friend Geordie at JDK, and he was like, yep, I have some spare off the drag car, so kindly sold them to me. Yeah, we're gonna swap these out, so that's it. Basically just unbolt all this stuff, bolt the new ones back on, and we should be good. We have a new friend today. We've got our friend Matt.
Hello.
Matt's gonna do Matt things. We've got two Matts here today.
Yeah, sorry about that.
So yes, our plan is to go through this, try and get a bit further with the car, because at the minute it's pretty standstill. We've got fuel cell coming in the next few days, new ECU arrived this morning, which is nice, and most of it's ready to go. We just need manpower and time to get this stuff sorted. So yeah, step one, get the brakes sorted, get all that done, and then I've just realised the brakes are in the car and the brake lines.
Yeah, right. And the 10mm spinner.
And the 10mm. Oh, Jesus, right, here you go. You take that, we'll put the car down.
Shall we time it?
You want to time it? Okay, go.
I'll time it.
Where are we at?
See how long it takes us to go up and down. To be fair, it goes down faster than what it goes up.
Yeah, it does. Still pretty painful though, isn't it? At least we have a ramp though.
I think I saw the 10mm. Ah, yeah. Let's take that.
Right. Calipers, I'm pretty sure, are
in one of those boxes.
Yep. In one of the boxes. I think.
Oh, that gold tape's cool.
What?
That gold tape.
Yeah, we're gonna
/ black tape.
Yeah, we need to strip that. We are gonna do a video at some point stripping this. Strip it the best way to remove gold reflective. Because we don't know how to install one, so may as well do how to remove it and how to get all the nasty glue off. So, calipers. That is exactly what we're after.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful. Right. Thanks, Geordie, for using my own tape as packaging material to come back to me.
Recycling.
Yeah, no. Can't fault him for that, can you? Want to say thank you to Corey from Hell, because he kindly supplied us all of these things, which is great. He gave us their P-clips, dividers, and made these lines up from the prop valve all the way to the back. So he did a great job. Thank you very much, Corey from Hell.
Ooh, go Hell.
Go Hell. Go to Hell.
Cool colour.
Right. I'm gonna have to use like adapters to go down from like a 1/2 inch.
No, just use the
I guess we can use the little.
Use that one.
Little tool. I think I've left some tools in the car, you know, because I'm missing a 14 and I'm missing a ratchet. I'm gonna bring the car back down. I'm 90% sure my ratchet is in the car.
Organised.
Right, well, that was a failure. Great.
So far, we've got 11 minutes of the ramp going up and down.
Don't want to hear it. I do not want to hear it.
Is it just the caliper slides?
Yes. And then I think we need to take the handbrake cable off as well. So the plan now, move the handbrake cable, and then we should just be able to crack the bolts off, take the caliper off, and then we're good. Right, that can that stay there? No, that cannot stay there. Great, I'm going to crack that clip off.
Is there always such a nightmare to get out?
What?
Those.
Yeah.
They're great once they're in.
That was like actually wedged.
Yeah, someone had their wee picks when they did them up.
Jesus Christ, they're tight.
Who did them?
I'm blaming Phil for this one. because I'm pretty sure when we put all this together, like when we went up to JDK, all this was already bolted together. So I'm 99% sure that was our Filbo that sent those down.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It was probably Scott knowing that we had to swap the calipers out, but
Luckily, Scotty probably knew that it wasn't going to be driving in the next few minutes. Let's do the other side. We know they're there. Just do the opposite of the one that's on that side.
I actually don't want to press this side, you know.
Yeah, that looks better.
Yeah, that's the side, isn't it? Right, let's go get the other one. Usual car stuff. Missing things. Great. Missing all the things. Oh, it's just goddamn painful, isn't it? Painful.
They're so easy, aren't they? Yeah. 2 bolts. Caliper, done.
Oh, yeah, just stop it a bit, won't it?
Plus, you've got to remember it's a full droop, so what's it going to do when it goes up?
Wow, it'll just move the whole thing up, won't it?
Yeah.
I guess it moves with the suspension anyway, doesn't it? So it isn't going to make a difference.
Yeah, as long as it's, what do you got, 5 mils?
Yeah, about that, 5-10 mil. It's funny, isn't it? That how long do you think we've been here so far?
Well, 23
like 20
minutes.
odd minutes? It's probably only going to make about 30 seconds worth of footage.
I hope it is,
How
because my
painful.
camera is awful. I suspect there's going to be loads of voiceover.
Oh, of course it is. It always is. Watch
I
out.
know. We should come. Oh, shapers! Come and put one of these in the top.
What the hell is that?
I'm pretty sure that it couldn't fit in that little gap.
Surely no one did that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, is it the
right.
handbrake cable?
Yeah, the
bolt?
handball cable for that.
Yeah. That makes a lot more sense. It's because we basically had to bodge this thing to get it back together, like handbrake cable wise.
Yeah.
The last time we put it together. It's one of those, if it's together, isn't it?
Yeah. Maybe I just need to be a little bit more rougher. Oh, just be a little bit more rougher.
So Matt, let's talk about your projects while you're looking for things.
Yeah.
What are you building?
Well, if you ask my wife, loads. I have a 1997 Suzuki Carry.
Yep.
Which is most of the way completed, and it has a TL1000 SV twin motorcycle engine in it.
Doesn't mean anything to me, I'm a Honda boy.
Yeah, well, because it's funny because I've got a Bedford Rascal as well.
Yeah.
And that's got a Honda VTR 1000 going in it at the minute. But I wanted to keep them both Suzuki.
Right.
Because, I mean, I don't know why. Why do we do half of the stuff we do?
Because we're stupid.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
What else do you have?
I've got Kevin.
Yep.
Kevin he's my mate. He is a garage built, low cost kit car.
Love Kevin.
Yeah, Kevin's a ledge.
Very dark outside, but I'll go show you Kevin in a sec.
Yeah, I'm hoping that it doesn't rain.
I'm hoping too.
Because the weather
Kevin
forecast.
has no roof.
Kevin has no roof. I mean, he's fun to drive in the rain.
Oh, I bet.
But
Probably
that's
not so much fun to sit in it though, right?
Nah, well, never met a rusty man. Once you're wet, you're wet.
Yep.
But yeah, Kevin's pretty cool. Kevin's got a 8 HP transmission in it out of a BMW.
I think it's a weapon, to be fair.
Which is, the gearbox makes it, right? If you, so he's got an LS1 up the front out of a Monaro or where I'm from, a Holden Commodore. And then, yeah, the gearbox just absolutely makes him. He's like so much fun.
Oh yeah.
Paddle shift and blip and
Pretty cool as that,
it's got a Haltech R5 in it, which is complete overkill for that.
Oh yeah, of course it is. But I mean, you might as well.
Well, yeah, I mean, if you're going to put a Haltech in, I was like, I only want to ever buy one.
Oh yeah.
And then that should last me. It's a bit like your S2 going in this, right?
Yeah.
It's like what can't it do?
I mean, mine is PDM, but at some point we'll put one in. So Basically, isn't it?
Yeah, as soon as you go PD, and then, you know, I mean, then where do you stop, right? Then all of a sudden you've got
You know this just as much as I do.
and then you've got, let's put the wheel speeds in. Oh, now we're doing, right now we've got suspension shock travel sensors and laser ride height. Who really needs that?
So for anyone, well, I say for anyone who doesn't know, obviously you guys don't know, but the first time I ever met Matt Raw, I actually thought he was a spy from Haltech, because we are Haltech dealers. Matt is from New Zealand, close to Australia, but I couldn't really tell much difference in the accent. So I'm pretty sure you turned up here in like a, you were relatively well dressed. So I'm pretty sure you had like a white shirt on, didn't you, that day?
I don't know.
I'm like 99% sure you did. Or maybe I just remember this very, very differently to what actually happened. But you didn't have any silver fern things on, is what I'm saying. It was just like
a normal human.
Normal stuff. And he came in and literally just started saying all this stuff about Haltech. Yeah, thought he was a Haltech spy. Turns out he wasn't. He was just crazy. And
I guess in Australia, not so much New Zealand, because obviously Link's a Kiwi company. So, you know, like in my Evo in New Zealand and stuff like that, we used to run loads of Link.
Yeah.
But the Haltech stuff is so easy. Even I can do it. It's so easy to play with. It's got so much capability, and I mean, it'll run this all day long.
Oh yeah.
It runs Kevin all day long. I mean, I don't have a turbo yet.
You will.
Maybe.
Hang on, I do long enough.
Up here.
Hello. What's happened?
Guess what?
What?
Yeah, 2 bolts.
Look at that.
Always check the arm of the lift. Always check the arm of the lift.
We're going to have that as like YouTube motto now. Check inside the car, check the arms of the lift.
And I mean, like being a 90s Japanese car in the UK, we've got a strip bolt already.
Yeah, great.
But I was just having a bit of a look at how we're going to run this.
So originally it ran there and down. So my plan was to run it across there to the other side and then just run it under. So I was going to go, so basically run it all to here, both sides, and then just run them side by side all the way down to the front. It was kind of the original plan. And I'm pretty sure that's what Corey made them lengthwise for.
Oh, let's do that.
Is that definitely the right side? Or have you just kind of grabbed one just to see?
Just grab one.
Right, okay.
Well, they're different lengths.
Slightly, yeah. So they should be or they should have something on it to show which one's
Well,
which.
it's got rear, and then like it's got the rear and the front mark.
What is this? Something to side.
Prop, rear, driver's side, chassis line. Prop to rear, driver's side.
Probably should have done all this before putting the engine in and manifold and everything. Well, we couldn't really, could we? Because we had to do this. Engine stuff was all in Manchester.
When you try and build a car in 24 hours, it's kind of what happens, right?
Yeah. To be fair, the guys up there did a great job.
Yeah.
It was a great job.
Yeah, they did a fantastic job. I guess it's all those little things that, you know, like the handbrake brackets. You know what I mean? It's like when you're trying to do it on such a time frame,
Oh, you just smash stuff together just to make it
like you
work,
just
don't
make it work, right? Like race car spec.
Oh yeah, you ain't got a choice though.
No.
Plus we always knew that it would have to come back in and get stuff done anyway, so
Yeah.
it just, yeah. Hello.
I reckon you might be a bit short here, fella.
Ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's just do one at a time. Where's the one with the wiper on it?
Because it's got to be the longest one.
Go down there.
Yeah, I'll hold this here if you want
How
to.
tight do you want it though? You want a bit of play up in there, don't you?
Yeah. Hang on, what side's that?
I hope it's the side that it's not.
Oh, what is this side?
We should do this like this.
I've already said everything I needed to say.
We'll just say it again. Isn't that how this stuff works?
No, not really.
Come out
Generally, the outro is like me arguing with whoever's behind the camera. I've
mean like
already
this?
filmed this. I've already filmed this. I don't need to do it. It's normally how it goes. So, yes, that is it. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.